Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. Today we're going to start second part. So let's select this plane. Okay, let's draw a circle and its diameter is 13 mm. Okay, yes, it's 13 mm diameter. Let's exit the workbench. Take a pad, 14 mm height, view. Okay, select this plane. Draw a circle. Its diameter is 5 mm. Exit the workbench. Leave the pad and its height is 8 mm. Okay. Consider a hole. Its diameter is 3.5 mm. Review. And its depth is 22. Preview. Okay. And we need one hole. Select this plane. Okay. And draw a circle with diameter 8 mm. So it's 4. And give the dimension to this center of line to this part. It is 7 mm. Okay. Adjust this axis. Exit the workbench. Take a pocket on both sides. Review. Okay. This is the part and its name is barrel throttle. Okay. This is the final model. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching CATECH Tutorials. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video.